How to get Adidas discount codes. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get different discount codes using the student or email sign up. So if you're looking to get Adidas discount codes through a student verification and email sign up, the first thing you have to do is get the account on uni days. So Adidas typically offers student discounts for from 15 up to 30% off for a full price items by uni days. So what you're gonna have to do is go to uni days and then log into an account. So if you don't have one already, you can sign up for a free uni days account and verify your student status. It will be typically a university enrollment or a student ID. So you can just join here and provide your ID. Once verified, you can receive a promo code, which is applied at the checkout. So once you have the promo code, when you check out, you can find the option to use promo code here, and then you can simply enter the code. Or sometimes Adidas itself will recommend you a promo code like this. So as you can see, if I use the code Sunny, it could save me up to 25%. So if I just click on it, it's almost $90 right now. But if I use the code, the price is going to go down all the way down to $68. And then the codes cannot be stacked with other stuffs like newsletters or Eddie Club discounts, but that is something that you can do here. Now, for the email and sign up login or the Eddie Club welcome offer, you can sign up to Adidas with your emails or join the free loyalty program, Eddie Club or Creators Club. You can do that by just going ahead and searching for it. So just go ahead and go to your home screen and then search for the Addy Club. And you'll typically receive a 15% off promo code for your first order by email. This code often includes a free shipping as a part of the membership benefit. And occasionally you can cite like Business Insider Report, extra code offering all the way up to 30%. But these usually require to be logged in as an Addy Club member, so you have to remember that. And only one code is allowed per order, so you cannot stack up the codes on a single order. So these are some of the ways you can get discount codes on Adidas. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.